Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Today I will be talking about the Prophet and how generous he was. The person who narrated this hadith was Abdullah ibn Abbas, Abdullah the son of Abbas, and his relation to the Prophet was cousin, and the Prophet made a dua for him, for Abdullah ibn Abbas. Oh Allah, give him understanding of the religion and teach him the meaning of the Quran. The summarization of the hadith is the Prophet ﷺ was the most generous. And also a Bedouin man came to the Prophet ﷺ, and he wanted the amount that was between the amount of sheep that was between two mountains, and the Prophet did that, gave the non-Muslim man that many sheep, and he did that so the Bedouin non-Muslim would become Muslim, and after some time that man became Muslim. And Angel Jibreel, when it was Ramadan, the Angel Jibreel used to come and review and read the Quran every night with the Prophet. And Abdullah ibn Abbas described the Prophet's generosity as in the month of Ramadan by saying it was more than his generosity was more than the flowing wind, and the wind touched everything, so everyone would benefit from the generosity of the Prophet. Assalamu alaikum.